Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today I have a short plant video to share with you, and this is our orchids which are in bloom in Kurseong. I think this is a wild orchid. Although it has bloomed, the flowers are not that very colorful. Now this is the bird's nest fern. It is doing extremely well. Look at it. That is the point from where the new leaves emerge. It's a beautiful plant, but yes, you must always put it into a big pot and keep it in an airy space where sunlight is easily available. That's the guava tree, which has numerous guavas, but they are still small in size, and we need to wait for some more time so that it is big enough to be plucked and eaten. Yes, it's a very tasty guava. Now this is the marigold that is in bloom, very precious flower during the pujas. This is the salvia, which is growing again almost everywhere. And here in the plains we have to buy saplings and put it in flower pots. Now these are the geraniums that are still in bloom. Look at the colors. What beautiful shades of pink. Now another beauty I'm going to show you. Look at the color, how delicate it is. Beautiful. Actually, if the geraniums are placed in a proper spot, it flowers throughout the year. Now this is another color, that's the fuchsia pink with a splash of white in the middle. Now this is the light pink one. See how pretty it is. Wait, I'm going to show you one peach geranium. These are all the single petal ones that are still blooming. Actually, if it is placed in a proper spot, it blooms throughout the year. This is the light pink, this is the peach one, this is another beauty. Look at it. Such a pretty one. A lot of work to be done because I can see a lot of dried leaves. Actually, everyone has been busy with Durga Puja and Diwali. So this is it for today. Thank you friends for staying till the end. If you all have found the video interesting, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye bye for today. Bye.